In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable OneDrive on your Windows 10 and stop syncing a folder in OneDrive. Let's dive in and take control of your files, ensuring only the essential ones are being backed up to the cloud without using up all that precious bandwidth. First, you'll want to locate the OneDrive cloud icon. Don't worry, it's usually found right there on your taskbar, in the lower right corner of your screen. It's near your clock and volume controls. If you can't spot it immediately, don't fret. You might need to click on that little upward-facing arrow to reveal hidden icons. This cloud icon is your gateway to the OneDrive app, and that's where our journey begins today. Once you've successfully located the OneDrive cloud icon, go ahead and give it a click. This action will unveil a series of options. But for our purpose today, we're interested in the gear icon, a familiar symbol that usually indicates settings in most applications. Clicking on this gear icon, labeled Settings, opens up a world of options that allow you to control your OneDrive. After clicking on Settings, focus your eyes on a tab labeled Settings within the pop-up window and select it. This tab is your doorway to various options related to how OneDrive operates on your system. Now, let's shift our attention to the Account tab. This section is packed with crucial information regarding your connected account and storage limits. It also provides you control over which folders are synchronized to the cloud. Within the Account tab, you'll notice a button that says Choose Folders. Click on this button. Doing so brings up a new window that allows you to specify which folders you want to keep syncing with OneDrive. Naturally, OneDrive syncs all the folders you add by default. But, you might want to change that, particularly if you're mindful about saving bandwidth or conserving storage space. A new window will pop up, listing all the folders currently set to sync. Here, you'll see a checkbox next to each folder. To stop syncing a particular folder, simply uncheck the boxes next to the files or folders you no longer want in sync. This action essentially informs OneDrive to cease creating an online backup for those specific folders. Once you've carefully made your selections, there's just one more step before you're done. Click OK to save all the changes. By confirming this, you ensure that the OneDrive app will now adhere to your new preferences about which folders should not be synchronized. And just like that, you've taken control. These steps will help you disable or manage OneDrive syncing for specific folders, perfectly tailored to suit your unique needs, and allowing you to manage your file collection and how they are backed up in the cloud.